Hi, my name is Jéssica González. I am industrial engineer and this is my job interview. If you could start your career over again, what would you do differently? Well, if I could do that, definitely I would focus my subjects in the computer system field because when I finished my career, I noticed that in the industry, all processes are managed by computer systems and I'm really passionate about computing and simulation. However, I don't leave behind the production and logistics field of my career. During your performance reviews, what criticisms do you hear the most? Most of the time, I have been told to improve my multitasking abilities in order to achieve more than one goal simultaneously in shorter time. I have always preferred myself to focus in one particular target and move on to the next one only when it is complete, since it's a common failure to aim two different targets without putting special attention and effort to everyone just to show yourself as a busy person. I feel, however, that multitasking could actually help in under pressure situations with a deadline ahead, so it could get the best of me in simultaneous activities aligned to a single target. Sometimes my teammates also suggest me to pay more attention to them when they are talking or making a point, since I get distracted easily by overthinking an idea or something else told by them. Clearly, one more topic to work on. Tell me about your last position. My last position was in Ramirez Arana. That is an airing catering and belong to the food industry. That company is the principal food supplier of Avianca, and I worked directly with the production plant managing the kitchen staff. My job there was a challenging and a full-time job, but there I had a good salary and I learned a lot. I quit the job because I have studying plans and that job was so far from my home. What is your work philosophy? I always work giving my 100%, with a big sense of responsibility and putting my heart in all functions that I do. I'm so empathetic and I have skills for people management and groups leadership. How have you changed professionally speaking in the last 2 years? In the last 2 years, I learned a lot from my workmates because I started in my last position when I was just graduated, and I used to think that in the industry I had to use all the theory that I learned in college. But when you are working, you start knowing anything, and in that time is when you learn from the bottom to top. Definitely, I had a total mentally change. Tell me about the best manager you have ever had. In college, I had a job as a mentor student from a first year subject. My teacher in lead was awesome. She is the best leader that I know. She is so kind, but she knows how to correct your work without hurt your feelings. She is a mechanical engineer with a lot of experience. What were the most memorable accomplishment in your last position? My bosses told me that I'm so gently and responsible. They admire my way to look for improvements in my activities and my optimistic development. Why do you want to leave your current job? Now I am unemployed and I'm looking for a job. but I quit my last job because I need a refresh and I really want to continue with my professional development. In your previous position, how much time did you spend learning how to do things better? The first months I made a lot of mistakes because I didn't know so well the fruits feel. But I get better over time and I am a woman of easy learning. I usually take a couple of days to learn how to do my activities with good results. If you're very happy with your current job, why do you want to leave? I am unemployed now, but yes, I was very happy in my job, but I want to specialize in systems and I couldn't do it working there. That is the reason of my quit. In the future, I would like to have my own company and I have to move on to make it happen. That was my job interview. Thank you for seeing my video. Goodbye.